welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining me today. On this channel, I do like to bring you a lot of hair related content, especially with wigs. So if that's something you're interested in, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you are returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so today we have another synthetic wig review and I'm a little embarrassed to say that I have had this wig for a minimum of 3 years. It's so sad. I know I had this wig before the pandemic. And she was such a hit in these YouTube streets. This is a sensational unit from the What Lace Collection, and it is in the style the infamous Morgan, y'all. Don't kill me, don't shoot me, I already know. I have seen so many wonderful reviews on this unit, and like, I just forgot about her. Like, I legit forgot that I had her. So imagine my surprise when I stumbled upon her hiding in the corner over here. I'm like, what the what? Morgan, if you don't get your tush on out here, we are putting you on ASAP. So here we are, y'all. And honey, the hype is real, y'all. So I'm reviewing her in the color Flamboyage Gold, and you know we just gonna go on and get right on into it, honey. Let's dive on into this unboxing and installing of the infamous Morgan. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all them nails. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm coming home. Yes, it's true. One more Christmas to be with you. Yes, I'll be right there by your side, making you ready for your sleigh bell ride. Santa, hold on. No, I will never leave you on Christmas Day. So hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Hold on, Santa. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa. But I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train. I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and dive on into these thoughts, honey, because the hype is real, y'all. Like, I'm so glad. Like, thank you. I'm so glad I found her. I stumbled across her. Like, I have moved to a different state and everything, like, since I've had her. But here she is, and y'all, she does not disappoint. So if you forgot about Miss Morgan, I am here to remind you, honey. Yeah, it's been a while. I know it's been, I feel like it has to have been at least 3 years, y'all. Like, she's been out 3 years ago. So if you forgot about her, get with her, okay? Because she is a hit, honey. All right, let's start with this style, y'all. We got like this loose, flowing away body wave type. Well, it's kind of like a body wave. It's like feathered up here, but then it's like straight on the ends. Absolutely beautiful. She's somewhat long. I would give her about 24 to 26 inches. Very nice length. This color, this flamboyage gold, absolutely gorgeous. Like, I feel like I need to start looking for some more colors like this because I love this color too much. Like, I need it. I need some more of it. So yeah, I'm about to start scouting for flamboyage gold because this is gorgeous, is it not? We got the layers going on. Y'all know I am a huge fan of layers. Oh my god, like this wig, I swear, Morgan is serving for me. Like, Morgan is a hit. And it's so simple, but so sexy at the same time. You know what I mean? So this could definitely be a nice HOLI-SLAY wig, y'all. I know she's a little throwback, but honey, she will have you HOLI-SLAYing around here for the holidays. Now, you saw that she is 13 by 6 free parting space where you can do a left side, right side, or middle part, as well as do it up or half up, half down. I decided to go with the middle part today because I'm actually going to a fedora hat birthday party, and I just want my part in the middle when I'm wearing a fedora hat. That's just my preference. Otherwise, if I was not doing that, I would be definitely rocking a right side part. I feel like it would just, the hair would flow. It would just give a nice sexy feel. You'll get that little swoop going on with the layers. Like it is probably so sexy as a side part. But you know, I had to go with the middle part. I'm wearing a hat because I don't need the hair all in my way with the hat pressing down on the hair. Like, I don't need no issues. I just don't want no trouble. Let's talk about this hairline though. I think this was the big winner for this unit. I remember that. Everybody was talking about this hairline. Y'all know I am a plucking frenzy. But I ain't plucked a thing on this unit. And look at that. It is plucked so nicely. This hairline is it, y'all. Oh my gosh. Like, can we get some more of these? I mean, we have been somewhat, but man, it just makes you remember when they were like really putting in that work. They were putting in that plucking work on the hairline. I know I've tried a few Sensationnel What Lace units lately, and I definitely had to go in and pluck it some more. Definitely. Whereas this one, I ain't have to do nothing. Like, this is when they had it right. They had it right, y'all. So the only con I've been experiencing, and I don't remember from the videos because it was years ago, like, who remembers? I don't. It's a lot of shedding going on with this one. And the fact that I didn't pluck anything, I'm like, why? For why though? Why are we shedding so much? I don't know, but it's a lot of shedding, y'all. And I can't even say that I completely glide all the time. I get snagged here and there, but shedding is heavy. It's heavy. Now let's get into the price. Like, this joint is still in that like $40 to $50 price range. Pretty mid, pretty average. So, of course, as always, I'll leave a shopping link down in the description box below. Feel free to check it out if it's something you're interested in. I didn't want to hold y'all too long. I just kind of wanted to come on here with this little, it's now an oldie but goodie because it's old now. 3 years is old. 3-year-old wig is old. So this little oldie but goodie, but she's still a hit, y'all. I will vouch for her still. I would definitely rock this to this day on so many occasions. So, of course, you already know I want to know your thoughts. Let me know what you guys are thinking about Miss Morgan. Let me know if you've already tried her in the past, honey. Is she a staple in your collection or no? Like, let me know. Let me know. I'm behind. But, you know, for those that are, like, way ahead of me and, you know, y'all been on game for a while, let me know what you're feeling about it. Alright, so that's pretty much all I have for you beautiful people today. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this little zebra emoji right here down in the comments so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and you know I love and appreciate you for that, sugar. Yes, ma'am. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you all in the next video.